And I'm live. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you are all well and healthy during this period. My name is Pearl, and I am from Florida in the United States, so my accent is American. I hope that it is okay for you. I am in Milan now. I am a teacher at the Milano Montenegro School. So maybe I have seen you before, you have seen me. If not, welcome. Please say hi in the chat. I'm going to write it. Please say hi in the chat. It makes the webinars more interesting and more fun. I like speaking to you all, so please tell me where you're from, what is your name, anything else, any other fun information you want to share with me, tell me. But if not, we can get started. So today, we are going to do Blackpool and Bondi Beach. In this focus activity, we're going to describe a day at the beach, the weather, modal verb can, and prepositions. So for those of you who do not know, Blackpool and Bondi Beach are beaches, obviously. Bondi Beach is a famous beach in Australia. I believe it is in Sydney, Sorry, I wrote that. I just realized something. I wrote, please say hi in the chat. I wrote that incorrectly. Please say hi in the chat. I forgot my verb. Say hi in the chat. Yeah, so Bondi Beach is a beach in Australia, I believe in Sydney. In Blackpool is a beach in the UK. But yes, I think this is a fun lesson because I think Italians I think you all like going to the beach. So this is nice. Hello, Pearl. My name is Luca, and I'm watching you from a little town near Novara. Oh, nice to meet you, Luca. Thank you for watching. I believe so. You're probably not too far from Milan. I think Novara is not too far, but yes, thank you for watching. I hope you have nice weather today. The weather in Milan is not so beautiful. It is very gray. Good, but great. So today, Clelia from Naples. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, what time is it? 12. Good afternoon. Clelia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Clelia? Clelia? I hope so. I'm sorry if I'm not. Clelia. I'm trying. This is the first time I see this name, so it's very interesting for me. But Clelia, I'm going to try. Luca, yes, 40 minutes by train. Oh, great. Wonderful. So Novara is close. Wonderful. Great. So today we're going to talk about beaches, right? Do you all like going to the beach? Clelia, Luca, do you like going to the beach? The sea, I guess in Italian you say going to the sea. But in English, we say going to the beach. So do you like going to the beach? Do you like to the beach? Do you like going to the beach? So in English, we say, do you like going to the beach? I know in Italian, I think it is more common or more normal to say going to the sea, but in English, we say going to the beach. Because in the beach, okay. Yes, I really love going. Luca says, yes, I really like going to the beach. I love the sea. I love going to the beach. Yes, I'm sure Clelia Campania has very beautiful beaches. I've been to Campania many times, and I do love the beaches there. Luca, I like going to the beach too. Luca, thank you for asking, Luca. I do like going to the beach. But since Luca and me and you are in the north, I go to the beach in Liguria, not Emilia Romagna, because students recommend to me that I go to Liguria, not Emilia Romagna. So yes, I do like going to the beach. Because I am from Florida in the United States, and Florida is where Miami is. When I was young, when I was a child, I went to the beach a lot. But in Florida, we have the ocean, not the sea, so it is very different. So, but yes, I do like going to the beach. I do like going to the beach. I am sad I am not close to the beach now. I wish I could be close to the beach. Sorry. Oh, hi, Tonio. Tonio. Hello. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you for watching today. Good. I think this will be a fun lesson because we will talk about beaches. Yes. Okay. Let's get started. Good. So we have directions. Directions. We have north, south, east, west. Wow, Luca, Florida, you are very lucky. You know, Luca, many students tell me I am lucky to be from Florida, but honestly, the beaches in Italy are more beautiful than the beaches in Florida. In my opinion, the beaches in Italy are more beautiful than the beaches in Florida. Italy is more beautiful in general than Florida. So you are very lucky because you are from Italy. Julia says, I go to the beach in, I don't know how to pronounce that name. Philly. I'm not going to pronounce it because it's going to sound terrible. An island in Aeolian Island in Sicily. Wow, you are very lucky, Clea, to go to Sicily. I went to Sicily and I really liked it. But wow, yes, Italy has many beautiful beaches, I am sure. Sicily, Sardinia, Campania, Liguria, I'm sure. Puglia, very beautiful beaches in Italy. You are all very lucky to be Italian. Veronica, hi Veronica, thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. So continuing. Directions, north, south, east, west. These are our directions, similar. Question, what is the name of this image that you use when you travel? So this picture, what is that picture called? What is that word in English that pirates use when they're traveling? So what is that object called in English? It has north, south, east, west. Right? So what is that picture called? What is that object in the picture? What do we call that in English? Good job, Veronica. It is called a compass. It is called a compass. So a compass is what that image is. Perfect. A compass has the directions on it. Throws the wind. Oh, you know, I haven't heard that before, but we call it a compass, or sometimes we can say a compass rose, which I think is the very old traditional name. Compass rose is the actual direction. So a compass is the more modern way to say it, and a compass rose, I believe, is more antique. It's older, so we don't say compass rose, we say compass. But I like that you have rose in there. Good point. Good job, guys. So let's continue. So we have north, south, east, west. Easy. You understand, I hope. Super easy. What are the names of the other directions? So the direction between north and east, west and south. What are those directions called? What are the names? Another question. What are the names of the other directions? Let's practice. I think they're very similar in Italian. So you have north, south, east, west. What are the names of the other directions in between? North, south, east, west. Do you know that particular name? So we have north, south, east, west, yes. But in the middle of north and west, or south and east, what are the names? East and south, what are those names? So we have north, south, east, west. So what are the names of the directions between west and north, or east and south? What are the other names? I believe they're similar in Italian. Yes, right, left, between. You're funny. Yes, almost. Good. So Luca is correct. So we have northwest, southwest. So northwest. I'm going to write that there. Good. And south is very hot. I don't know about very hot. But southeast, northeast, good job, Luca. Wonderful. I'm going to write them out in the chat. Northeast. Good. So we have north going clockwise, or maybe this way for you, clockwise. So we have north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and then northwest. Good job, guys. We got it. We're good. Easy. Okay. So where is Norway? It is in the north. Where are these countries? Ireland, Canada, China, Australia, Sweden, Brazil. So where is Norway? It is in the north. Yes. So we can say it is in the north, which is correct. Or we can say it is north of Italy. You can say it's in the north, or it is north of Italy. Oh, sorry. I wrote the first half incorrectly. Sorry. Man, I'm making so many mistakes today in my chatting. So it is in the north, or it is north of Italy. So Norway, it is in the north, or it is north of Italy. Where is Ireland in respect to Italy? Antonio. Canada, Sweden, Ireland. Yes. Those are the countries. What is the direction? Ireland is in the north. If we want to be specific, it is northwest. Ireland is northwest, if we want to be more specific. So Ireland is in the north, or it is north of Italy. So yes, good. Ireland is in the north, or northwest, because it is northwest, or it is northwest of Italy. Good. Good job, Luca. Canada. Where is Canada? Canada is close to America. Right, where is Canada? You can say two things. In respect to Italy, where is Canada? Or go ahead, tell me where is Canada, China, Australia, Sweden, Brazil. Tell me where these countries are in respect to Italy. In respect to Italy. Good, Clelia. China is in the east. Good. China is in the east. Good. Or China is east of Italy. Perfect. Good, Julia. Good. Canada, Australia, Sweden, Brazil. Where are those countries? Where are those countries? Canada is in the west. Yep, Canada is in the west. Perfect, Luca. Tonya, Ireland is northwest of Italy. So, Tonio, Ireland is, we don't need at, Ireland is northwest of Italy. I'm going to write that in the chat. Ireland is northwest of Italy. Good. Australia is in the southeast, Brazil is in, so remember, Luca, we don't need in for that. For that statement, we can say Brazil is south of Italy. So we don't, in that sentence structure, Brazil is south of Italy, or just Brazil is south, is in the south. Stop. We don't need of Italy. Both are correct. So Sweden is north of Italy, so we don't need in. So clearly close. Sweden is north of Italy. Yes, it is. So if we're not using Italy, we don't need to use in. Okay. So if you use Italy, no in. Clear. Brazil is southwest, no in. Brazil is southwest of Italy. Good. Brazil is southwest of Italy. Good. So no in. Brazil is southwest of Italy, or Brazil is in the southwest. Stop. So if we use of Italy, we don't use the preposition in. Okay. Good job, guys. Wonderful. Oh, okay. Wonderful. Great. So let's continue. Good job, guys. Blackpool Beach. Where is Blackpool Beach? I actually don't know because I am not British. Blackpool Beach is here. Oh, that's nice. Good. It is in. So we know where Blackpool Beach is. So where is Blackpool Beach? It's in what direction? Blackpool Beach is in, where is Blackpool Beach? On the map. Where is Blackpool Beach? So, Blackpool Beach. What direction can we say? Where is, I'm going to wait for you guys to write in the chat. Beach. It's in the northwest. Good. Yes, it's in the west. It's in the northwest. In the northwest. It is west. In west. Yep. It is in the west. Yep. Perfect. West of the UK. Good job, guys. Yes. All right. Bondi Beach. When I went to Sydney, unfortunately, I did not see Bondi Beach. I had very limited time when I was in Australia. So Bondi Beach is here. I think this is near Sydney. I can't remember. But where is Bondi Beach in Australia? So where is Bondi Beach? Good, Veronica. Remember English spelling. It's in the southeast. Remember, southeast. Remember, let's practice our spelling. Good job, Veronica. Southeast. Remember, Tonya, correct. Southeast with an O, no A. In the southeast. Yes, Bondi Beach is in the southeast. Yeah, it's in the east. Wonderful. Good job, guys. Good. So, weather. Celia, it's in the southeast. Perfect. Good job. Good job, Celia. Good. Match the weather words to the pictures. So we have rainy, sunny, hot, cold, stormy, windy. So these are wonderful adjectives to describe the weather. So let's match the words to the pictures. Right. So Julia, A, rainy. Good job. A is rainy. Yep, Luca, good. A is rainy. Good. Good, Luca, Julia, ready. Good. B is cold. Veronica. E is sunny. Good. Luca, D is windy. Good. C? Anyone what is C? Oh, Clelia, C is hot. Wonderful. Good job. Yep, D is windy. E is storm. E is sunny, we said. Yes. And F is stormy. Good job, Veronica, Luca. Wonderful. Easy. Good. So let's expand our vocabulary. Let's learn some more words. What are some other stormy? Good. What are some other weather adjectives? So now let's expand our vocabulary. Let's learn more. Tell me in the chat, what are some other weather vocabulary? What are some other adjectives you know? Like today in Milan, it is not sunny, but it's the opposite of sunny. Maybe it is the same for Luca. I don't know, because Novara is not too far. Good. We have snowy, cloudy, wonderful, Luca. What other adjectives do you know? Snowy, cloudy, fantastic. Sometimes a synonym for cloudy, we can say it is very gray outside. So cloudy can also be gray, like the color. It's very gray. It's very gray outside, right? Snowy, cloudy. What other adjectives do you know? Cloudy. Today it's cloudy in Novara. Yes, I think it's cloudy in the north today. It's not very beautiful today. Which other one? What is the adjective? Maybe you know, similar in Italian. What is the adjective when there is a lot of water in the air? In the summer in Milan, there is a lot of water, moisture in the air. What is that adjective, Luca? Warm, cool, freezing. Yes. Good, great adjectives. Freezing is very, very cold, right? Freezing is very, very cold. Warm is in the middle. Not hot, not cold, but warm is in the middle. Cool is in the middle too. Warm and cool are in the middle, but warm is a little hotter and cool is a little colder. I don't know. Maybe 20 degrees is cool. We use Fahrenheit in America. So maybe 20 degrees Celsius is cool. No, 22? I don't know. Tonya, the sun is very hot. Yes, the sun is very hot. A shower is a noun, Luca, but good guess. A shower is a noun. So a shower is just, a shower is a noun. A shower is regular rain. Remember, a shower is regular rain. When there's no storm, it's just normal rain, we say it's a shower. Right? Good. So close. So when there's a lot of, Milan is very famous for this weather. In the summer, there's a lot of moisture. It makes your hair very big. It's very similar in Italian. this adjective? Maybe you guys know. This adjective, a lot of moisture in the air. Makes your hair very big. So it's not actual rain, but a lot of moisture or water in the air. It's similar in Italian. And the first letter is H. No, you don't know. Yes, perfect. Stormy, close. Good. Stormy is when there's water. So good. Humid is the adjective. And humidity, there you go, is the noun. I'm going to the beach with my friends at Ocean Drive. Ocean Drive is in Miami. Tony, are you going to Miami? Lucky you. Good, but good, Luca. Humid is the adjective. It is very humid in Milan in the summer. It's terrible. Or there is a lot of humidity in Milan in the summer. So humid is the adjective. Humidity is the noun. Humidity. Yes. No, I spelled noun wrong. I can't spell today. Good job. Noun. You guys know. All right. Good. One more question to expand our vocabulary. So when the weather is stormy, it is stormy, it is very bad, the rain is very strong, what is the name of the light in the sky, like in the image? Luca, yes, I can't stand humidity. It's terrible. It is terrible. I can't stand, I hate humidity too. Good. So in this image for stormy, we have the light symbol. What is that in English? So when it is very stormy, the rain is very strong and terrible, and we have the light in the sky. What is the name of that light in English? And what is the name of the sound you hear when it is very stormy? So what is the name of the light? Good. Oh, we did great. So thunder is the sound, the loud sound. Thunder is sound. And what is the good? Lightning. It's the light. Oh, obviously, lightning is the light. Wonderful. Good job, Luca. So so these are nouns. So when it is stormy, there is light and lightning and thunder. So when it is stormy, there is lightning and thunder. Good. Clear. Humid, wet. It's not exactly the same. Humid and wet is not exactly the same, but wet is the easiest way I can describe humidity. So technically, no, Valeria, humid and wet is not the same, but it is the easiest way to describe. Because when it is humid outside, there is not a lot of water on you. You are not wet, right? You're not wet. So humid and wet is not necessarily the same. Humid just means there is moisture in the air. So humid just means there's moisture in the air, and wet just means it's the opposite of dry. No. But good question. Good. So in the chat, now we know weather vocabulary. Describe the weather where you are. So, Clelia is in Naples. Luca, you already told me Navarra is very cloudy. So Valeria or Tonio, describe the weather. Ooh, Clelia, warm, muggy, below zero. I'm just reading your chat. Muggy is a great word. Muggy is like humid. When it's very muggy, it's just like humid. They're very good. So warm, muggy. Muggy is very similar to humid. Good. So in the chat, Veronica, Clelia, Tonio, tell me, What is the weather in your city now, where you are? What is the weather in your city now? Milan, it is cloudy, it is gray, it is cool. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's cool. Milan, yeah, it's okay. It's ugly. So what is the weather in your city? Let's use those adjectives. What is the weather like in your city today? Tell me. I hope the weather in your cities is better than the weather in Milan today. I have another one. Oh, Luca, it's foggy. Yes, foggy is when you cannot see because it's all white in front of you. So foggy, great adjective, Luca. Foggy is the adjective. Fog is the noun. Valeria, it's gray and humid. Oh, that's a shame, Valeria. Where are you, Valeria? Celia, today in Naples, it's cloudy. Oh, it's cloudy everywhere in Italy today. That's sad. Oh, it's a springtime. It's just a shame. Today in Naples, it's cloudy. In Genoa, oh, you're right on the sea. Oh, that's a shame. It's cloudy. But you live very close to the beach. Lucky you, Valeria. Wonderful. Good. All right. So continue. Tell me. It's Maria Ferrara. It's rainy. Where are you, Maria? What city are you in, Maria? Man, there is no good weather today in Italy. Genoa, Naples, Novara, Milan. It's rainy where Maria is. It's not a good weather day for Italy. Maybe tomorrow. We hope, right? All right. What's the weather like? What's the weather like in the west of England? It's rainy, sunny, hot, cold, stormy, windy. So, if you went to England, I'm sure you experienced the weather. What is the weather like in England? It's rainy here in Greve in Chianti. Oh man, it's rainy in Tuscany. Today in Sardinia, there is a lot of wind. There is a lot of wind, Antonio, or we can say, today in Sardinia, it's windy. Man, so Italy, nowhere in Italy, Tuscany, Naples, Campania, Sicily. Wow, not a good day. All right, so we are all suffering together. Great. Good. So what's the weather like? So according to the image, according to the picture, what is the weather like in the west of England? In England, it is usually rainy. Yes. In England, it is usually rainy. Yep, good, Luca. In England, it is usually rainy. Julia, it's windy, stormy. Yep, it looks windy, it looks stormy in that image. Anything else? What about the temperature? What do you think the temperature is like in the image? What do you think the weather is? I mean, England is north, so I don't think it is hot or very hot in England. I'm not sure. I did not go to England in the summer. I went in the spring and it was not hot. Luca, it's cloudy and it's going to rain. Good, perfect sentence, Luca. Good job. It's cloudy and it's going to rain. Very good, very advanced. Good job, Luca. Good. So you remember clearly, humidity is the noun. So humid is the adjective. So it's humid. It's humid. So humidity is the noun. So it's humid, or there is humidity. It's humid or there is humidity. So remember, when it's a noun, we use there is. There is snow, there is wind, there is rain. So when it's a noun, we use there is. Okay, there are clouds. If it is an adjective, it is. But goodness, this is a good point. Clearly, good job though. So I'm going to write it. So it is plus adjective. It's plus adjective. Or there is are plus noun. It's rainy. There's rain. It's snowy. There's snow. It's stormy. There are storms. Are plural. So both are correct. If you want to use the adjective, remember it is. If you want to use the noun, there is or there are. Right? It's cloudy. There are, plural, clouds. Clouds. But good job there. Common mistake, it's okay. That's why we're here, to learn. Good. Oh, Australia looks beautiful, right? So what's the weather like? So according to the image, what is the weather like in East Australia? So Australia is very beautiful. I recommend Australia. If you never go to Australia, I recommend it. It's a very beautiful country. It is very far. The distance is very far. Okay, so according to the image, what is the weather like in East Australia? Valeria, it's sunny and hot. Yes, it is sunny and hot. Sunny and hot. Hot and sunny in Australia. It is sunny. So no like, Maria. In Australia, it's sunny. Good. So now I want you guys in the chat, I want you to practice negative. So tell me negative sentences. It isn't. So we're going to practice negative too. It isn't. We have affirmative, easy. It is hot. It is sunny. Negative. It isn't. So we need to know both affirmative and negative. It's hot and sunny. It isn't. It isn't ugly. Right? No, it's beautiful. It isn't. Good. It's not cold and rainy. Perfect. It's not cold and rainy. Good. It isn't cold. Perfect, Valeria. It isn't cold. Ah, I'm very jealous of this picture. I wish I could be at the beach. It isn't cold. It isn't stormy. Remember the structure of earlier. It isn't stormy. No, it isn't stormy. It isn't cold, rainy, or cloudy. Perfect, clearly good. It isn't cold, rainy, or cloudy. Wonderful. Good job. Great. Good job, guys. It's easy, easy. Remember, it isn't is negative. It isn't. Oh my goodness, I can't write today. It isn't. It isn't is the adjective, or there isn't, aren't. Remember, isn't adjective, there is are. So there isn't cloud. No, there isn't rain. There aren't clouds. It isn't cloudy. There aren't clouds. There is for nouns. Let's continue. All right. Now we are using our imagination. What's the weather like in Jamaica, Russia, South Africa, Thailand, Australia, Brazil, Scotland? So use your imagination, what you think What is the weather like in Jamaica, Russia, South Africa, Thailand, Australia, Brazil, Scotland? So what is the weather like in those countries? Jamaica is not too far from Florida. Luca says, is it right to say, how is the weather? We can say, how's the weather? If I ask you in person, I can say, how's the weather? Oh, it is, same. So how's the weather is correct. Luca, if we want to be specific, it's the same with what's the weather like. So how's the weather in Milan, or how's the weather in Paris? Or we can say, what's the weather like in Milan or in Paris? So it's the same. So yes, Luca, it is correct to say how is the weather. Clelia, in Jamaica, it is hot and sunny. Yes, great. In Jamaica, it is hot and sunny, right? In Africa, I think it is very hot. Good. In South Africa, I think it is very hot. Good, Valeria. Good. I think you're right. In South Africa. Now it's stormy and windy here. Oh no, Veronica. Oh wow, there's not good weather in Tuscany today. I hope tomorrow it is better for you, Veronica. In Brazil, in South Africa, it's hot and sunny. Good. All right. In Brazil, it's hot and sunny. Wonderful. Bye, Valeria. Okay. You're welcome. Good. Russia, Scotland. Scotland is right next to. It's very close to England. In Russia, it is cold. Yes, probably yes. I think so. Right. Good. Thailand. Thailand. What do you think? In Thailand, it is very, remember, Clelia, humidity is the noun. We need the adjective. It's very humid. Luca, in Russia, it's freezing. Yes, Luca, I agree. I think it is freezing. In particular, in the winter, it is freezing, I am sure. Good. But yes, good job. In Thailand, it's very humid. Yes, I went to Thailand many, many years ago, and it was very humid. In Brazil, it's hot and sunny. Wonderful. And hot too, clearly. Yes, it's hot in Thailand. It's very, very hot. It's very tropical, right? It's tropical weather. All right, guys, easy. Good job. I'm going to continue because we are short on time. All right, activities. What can we do on the beach? Go jet skiing. Veronica, it's hot and humid in New Delhi too. Remember, humidity is the noun. Remember, humid is the adjective. It's hot and humid in New Delhi too. In Scotland, it's rainy. Good job, Julia. So continue. What can we do on the beach? Go jet skiing, go surfing, sunbathe, bathe, pronunciation, sunbathe. Drink a cocktail. Ooh, I love that. Go sightseeing. Remember, sightseeing is when we visit many popular locations like Duomo in Milan or Arco della Pace in Milan is to see them is sightseeing. Eat an ice cream, read a book, go skiing. So we are going to match the images with the activity. There are extra activities, obviously. There are 6 pictures, but there are a lot. B is sunbathe. Good, Clelia. B is sunbathe. Good. Jet skiing. What does jet skiing mean? So jet skiing is one of the images in the picture on the slide. So jet skiing, it is a water sport. So jet skiing is a water sport. Clelia, C is read a book. Yep. Good. right? So we have B, sunbathe, C, read a book. Yep, B, sunbathe. I love doing D. It's one of my favorites. Right. So A, E is go surfing, correctly. D, drink a cocktail. Good. A, none of you said it. Luca, good. A, eat an ice cream. B is sunbathe, read a book, drink a cocktail, surfing. And F, Luca, is go jet skiing. So the machine in the picture for F is a jet ski. It's a jet ski. To go jet skiing is to do that water activity. To go jet skiing. Good. So what can we do? Good. So what can we do? So remember, can is a special verb that does not change for different people. So I can, you can, he, she can, we can, they can. It is the same for everything. Can does not change. So remember, can, you have this in Italian, can, is for ability, right? Can. Good. So what can we do? So in Italy, tell me, you're all Italian. In Italy, what can you do on the beach in Italy? Can you go jet skiing in Italy? I don't know. I don't know. Can you jet ski in Italy? I'm not sure. I'm sure. What can you do on the beach in Italy? Can you jet ski? I don't know. Can you go surfing in Italy? Is Italy famous for surfing? I am not sure. What can you do on the beach in Italy? Right? So in Italy, we can, or you can, whichever. So what activities can you do in Italy? In Italy, I'm sure we can sunbathe, right? We can sunbathe. In Italy, we can sunbathe, drink a cocktail, eat an ice cream. Wonderful. Eat an ice cream quickly because it is so hot. Right? Good. In Italy, we can sunbathe, drink a cocktail, eat an ice cream. We can't. We can also use the negative. We can't go skiing, regular skiing on the beach in Italy, right? We can't go skiing because there's no snow on the beach in Italy, right? So what other activities can we do in Italy? I'm not sure. You can have a massage on the beach at Italy. I learned that you can have a massage on the beach sometimes, which is nice. I don't, but I know you can. Any other activities? So you can read a book. I'm sure you can read a book on the beach in Italy. Go surfing. I don't think Italy is famous for surfing, so I'm going to say in Italy you can't go surfing because it is not very good to surf in Italy. The sea is not too good for surfing here. In California, you can. In Australia, you can go surfing, but I don't think in Italy. You guys tell me. Okay. In Italy, I can sunbathe, swim, read a book. In Italy, we can't go surfing. I guess there are no big waves. Yes, I think you're right, Luca. There are no big waves. Good. Clearly, in Italy, I can meet friends. Absolutely. Perfect. Good job, guys. All right. So we are now at the 50-minute point. So we're finished. Thank you all so much for talking to me, Luca, Clelia, Veronica, Valeria, all of you, Tonia. Thank you so much for watching and participating. I hope you have a nice week and that you are all safe at home and healthy and happy. But if no questions or if you have no questions, but you all did very good today. Remember, humidity is the noun. Humid is the adjective. So don't forget. But have a good day. Oh, Tony, when I go to the beach, sun. I don't know that sentence, Tonya. But yes. But anyway, have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.